in Kung Fu, to show respect for my temple, Amor, we have the pyramid and crescent moon over the sun, representing children, not just the sun in the sky or male children, but children all the same. Respect from Kung Fu, from Shaolin Kung Fu in particular, we have one creature that's a mythical creature. It's not something that you're gonna see in the wild or in the zoo. It's not the tiger, the panther, the snake, or the crane. It's the dragon. The dragon is a recent addition to Shaolin Kung Fu. You want to stand on there?
I was just getting a full frame of you.
I know, but I prefer to be above. Okay. I mean, it's difficult for me because I'm taller. I know. You want to stand on that?
No. You ain't that much taller.
All right, here we go. So from in Dragon Kung Fu, there is a mystical teaching of where it came from. That mystical teaching is left off in everybody's Kung Fu that I've ever seen here in the United States, Mexico, Canada, and everyone I've known who's come from martial arts schools, including Shaolin Temple. They say they don't know what the dragon means. They also say they don't know what Amor means. Mm-hmm. Amor is the Buddha and founder of Shaolin Temple. The first martial arts of Shaolin Temple was known as Amor's 18 more hands, or the 18 more tricks. Later on, like 11 generations later, those same 18 more hands became known as the 18 Lohan hands. And that's what's talked about now, the 18 Lohan hands, as if they don't remember Amor. The hands should be called Amor. Those hands, the 18 hand positions of Amor, are translated into the 5 animal system of Shaolin, which again is crane, snake, tiger, leopard or panther, tiger, and dragon, the one we're getting at. Dragon is the cutoff rate, the cutoff mark of Moors. When many people's histories get to son of this, back in history, son of him, and then that person becomes a Moor, they say, oh, he was a son of a dragon, or he was a son of a god. So the secrets of Shaolin Kung Fu are in the dragon style. Of the 18 hands, 6 of the positions come from dragon alone. The dragon is Amor, Amor is the dragon, and the secrets of Kung Fu are in the movements of the snake, not the crane, but the snake. Learning how when to find pressure, to hold it and pressure on it. Knowing when to give with pressure and when to slip things in. Knowing when to be female and give and when to be male and explode. Snakes coil. A coiled snake is said to be at peace. He waits to see if he must strike. A snake extended represents aggression, a war school, one who attacks and practices attacking. Watch your snake symbols. Again, the one that's coiled is restraint. The one that's extended is a war school. There's 2 things about the snake school of Kung Fu. One is constricting, meaning trapping, catching, breaking, or simply holding. And the other one is striking, the striking school, like a viper. The viper school is actually called, they're interchangeable, the striker and the viper. And then there's the constricting school. We'll talk about those later. I think I went over my time on this. Peace.